Computer graphics is a kind of drawing which is created by computer program. Creating 2D or 3D pictures with the help of computer is called computer graphics. In the computer graphics, many techniques are used to create and modify graphics. With the help of computer graphics, we can display any size image or video on the computer screen. Graphics are made in the computer using many algorithms and techniques. Computer graphics are made up of many pixels. A pixel is the smallest unit of graphics. Computer graphics are used for art, desktop publishing, AutoCAD, creating video games, movies, etc. With the help of computer graphics, we can also create animations. Nowadays we have two types of computer graphics. Number 1. Interactive computer graphics. Number 2. Non-interactive computer graphics.